A home mortgage for 13%? Who ever heard of the interest rates being that high? 13% on a home mortgage? Think how high your payments would be. Well, the government nowadays is talking about raising interest rates. And interest rates, we all know, are very low. But historically, there was a time when interest rates were higher. In the early 1980s, let's say maybe 1981, 1982, you can do some research. My facts may be a little bit wrong, but I think it was in the 1980s. People were paying as high as maybe 12, 13, 14, 15%, or maybe even higher on their home mortgage. Can you imagine what your mortgage payments would be if you were paying a percentage of 15% on your loan? Why, that would be terrible. And what would that do to the price of houses? What would happen if interest rates right now went up higher? Well, it's my experience that when interest rates go higher, people can only afford payments of so much money. So if the interest rates go higher, in order to adjust for that, sellers usually have to lower the prices. When prices go down, that causes your mortgage payment to be less because you borrow less money. And a downward movement of the price of the property, the home, can in some ways compensate for the increase in the interest rate. Now, a lot of people probably have a mortgage of maybe $200,000. Some people have mortgages much larger than that. But here we're looking at something that you can think about. Yeah. Oh, is this all turned upside down? What happened to my video? What happened to my video? The $200,000 mortgage at a low percentage rate for 30 years. What would your payments be? Or a mortgage at 15%? Yes. What's going on here? Well, I just want to tell you that higher interest rates on your mortgage will turn the world upside down. It'll turn the world upside down, and we'll be in a different kind of situation than we're in right now. Housing prices are going up, 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 and in my opinion, these prices are able to go up because we have not free money, but very cheap money in terms of the interest rates. Yes, there's my telephone. It's probably some advertiser. I don't know. I'll call them back. I keep getting telephone calls from people that want to sell me this and sell me that. There.
This is Kathy from the service department. Based on your driving record, your automobile might be out of coverage.
Yeah, there it is. They're trying to sell me auto insurance. I hear on the television set that the economy is so good. It's so good. Well, if the economy is so good, why am I getting so many calls here at my house from people that are trying to sell me this and to sell me that? If the economy is so good, I would think that business would just be kind of streaming into their office. But there seems to be a very strong outreach of people trying to sell things, and my phone just keeps ringing. Maybe that's happening to your phone. Make comments down below. Let me know. Let other people know what's going on. Are you getting a lot of phone calls? People trying to sell you things? Does that mean that the economy is in real good shape? Well, please follow my YouTube channel here. give me a thumbs up, a like. If you think these videos might be of help to someone, please share these videos. Share these videos with people. Yeah, we're not going to go into things real heavy. We're just kind of here to skim over the top of, well, the economy. What's going on? Are things as good as they could be? Or could things be better? And the government now is talking about higher interest rates. Suppose they jumped the interest rate up to 7%. What would 7% interest on your home loan do to your payments? Well, you can talk to a realtor or someone about that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to cause people to think. I'm not a real estate broker. I don't currently hold a real estate salesperson's license. I'm just here talking about topics, trying to get people to think about these things. There's a book that you can get. It's called a interest rate book, or there's a technical name for it. It's called an amortization book. An amortization book. In an amortization book, you can look up the percentage of the loan that you're contemplating having, and then on that page, like you go to 3% or 7% or 10%, maybe even go up to a page that says 14%, then you can find on those pages the amount of the loan that you're contemplating getting under that percentage rate. Then you can trace across the page how many years that loan's going to be for. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. This is called amortization tables. This is an amortization book, an interest rate book. You can buy these in bookstores. I happen to own one of these. This is one of the books that is kind of like so many books that I have. I buy them and then they just kind of become dust collectors. You know, they look nice on the shelf. So go get yourself an amortization book, or go talk to a financial advisor, or go talk to a realtor, and have the realtor tell you what the difference in your payments would be on a $200,000 loan, a 4% loan as compared to a 10% loan. This information may just kind of surprise you. You may get a big shock. Yeah, the savings between a 4% loan and a 12% loan is enough money to go out to dinner a few times, more than a few times. Check it out and see if you can figure out what might happen if the federal government raises interest rates. Is that going to be good for buyers, or is that going to be good for sellers? Well, it might not be good for either. Higher interest rates may cause sellers to have to sell their property for less money, and higher interest rates might make the mortgage payments, the monthly mortgage payments for home buyers, higher. Who's the winner here? Who's the winner here? This is up to you. This is up to you. It's up to you to figure these things out. We're just chatting about these things. I'm bringing some topics up about the economy. Got some economy topics here, and we also talk about some life situations, and that's it. Well, I'm going to smile. Remember to like my channel, thumbs up, subscribe, and refer other people to my channel. Have a good day.